Nakabenta ki khobor ke baman kasngi subscribe yo Antor News.
Kublai pi baro kini kilong ki khubor baminta kasngi. Ka kinhun senking atyar ka Hinyo Tramp National Liberation Council kabala thrang ban kran yasuk bat ka sorkar India bat jilla kala John Poi Shakathong. Ya kanila pensngau daw ba sudden bla President kaseng HNYF ha ka jinya kendo shakilat pathai khubor ha Shillong Press Club. Uba sudden bla President upensngau ba ka jingthmu jung ka senking atyar banwan sha ka jinya suk ha ki laitli ki party kata ka sorkar India Sorkar jila ba kaseng HNLC ling ba ka safe passage ya ka badang pinkre minta. Haka jingiakren iasuk kasengking atyar HNLC kalong ba kinla ban ya lat luod habaro kari India bad haka jila Meghalaya klem jingte akendon. Kalong ban yakren bat wan syakamit jang ka sorkar yathu uba sudden bla. Nagabenta ban yakren iasuk bat ka HNLC bat ka sorkar kalabu laki jong kiksiang. Kumta ke HNLC kalathong bat jiet yu ba sudden bla President ke HNYF kum uksiang ban mi na kabenta jongki yathu uba sudden bla. Ha ka jing yathu uba sudden bla ka jinglong siang jing u kalong ka basay sob ha. Ha ka baladon ka jing yalang paliw jingmut bunsin na kalyang ka sorkar jila kalathong ya uba PS dekar IAS banlong siang na kalyang jong ka sorkar. Barka sorkar ru kalano senyang bah hagani ka benta pensngau uba sudden bla. Uba sudden bla uyathu pait ba ka benta ka bakongsan ka jinglong siang jong u ka deye ki lai party ka sorkar jila sorkar India bar ka HNLC bansha la lud bagin yat kin yeng gidkhot kham tam kinong yalam. Shushu utay unong yalam kaseng HNYF uyathu na kalyang ka HNLC kala menjuri ya ka jinglong siang bansha ya kidkhot bandrung banmi wat bansa Meghalaya.
The purpose of this press conference is to divulge something about the peace process peace process with regard to the coming of the HNLC and joining the mainstream. So since the last 3 months, since the HNLC has appointed me as the representative of the HNLC to have discussion with the state government and the central government and the state appointed interlocutors, namely Shri Peter. So we had 3 rounds of meeting. That is the representative, the executive members of the HNLC. At the level of foreign secretary and political secretary, and in that 3 rounds of meeting, the state-appointed interlocutor, namely Shri Peter, also was presented in all the 3 rounds of discussion. Myself also, I was presented, and finally, up to till date, the development to sum up, in short, is that there has been an agreement from the central government, the state government, and the HNLC, specifically with regard to the safe passage. The safe passage, in the sense that leaders of the HNLC who are to be engaged in the talk for the peace process can come and go, or maybe they can stay in, station themselves within the territory of India, Meghalaya, and that is the meaning of the safe passage, and the rest will follow only after the safe passage is granted, and as it is granted, and I hope in the next few days or week, the leaders of the HNLC will be joining the discussion regarding the issues concerning the agendas of peace process. Of the safe passage is that to enable the HNLC to come and have a direct discussion with the authorities, be it of the state or the central government. So that is the intention of the safe passage, and it will speed up the process also if the leaders of the HNLC are able to join the discussion and whatever negotiation that they have to do across the table with the central government and the state government. That is the intention. Yeah, the HNLC is a militant organization. We all know that since the year 2000 it has been banned. And the question of ceasefire is not the appropriate topic to be discussed now, because now the purpose of this press conference is basically to divulge things like that. Okay, the central and the state government has granted safe passage to leader of the HNLC, and if the ceasefire has to happen, it will happen only after the leader of the HNLC has been able or put forward their point of view in front of the state and central government.